Flat Belly Fix Review 2019. Welcome to our Flat Belly Fix Review video. The Flat Belly Fix is a 21-day weight loss system that takes you through the steps of effective and enjoyable foods and exercises to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. It is not a get-fit quick fad diet that you discontinue after the 21 days. Instead, it's a comprehensive program that guides you along the first 21 days to changing your lifestyle so that by the end of the program, you will have formed a healthy habit that you can continue with easily and fairly effortlessly. There's no magic pills or ancient chants to recite, just a little bit of work, adjustments to your lifestyle, proper nutrition and 21 days to form a habit. So, if you're ready to find a weight loss plan that you enjoy doing and that is effective, here's what you can expect from the Flat Belly Fix. What is the Flat Belly Fix? In 21 days, you can have healthy habits embedded into your lifestyle so that you can continue on your new weight loss journey easily and effortlessly. The Flat Belly Fix is a comprehensive system that serves as your nutritional coach and fitness trainer for the next 21 days, providing you with step-by-step instructions, exercises, food lists, nutritional information and much more. It incorporates both food and exercise, which is a huge benefit, as sustainable weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. In addition to the action plans provided to you, the Flat Belly Fix provides you with an abundance of information so you have all the knowledge needed to understand your body and weight loss, and what needs to be done to live a healthier, happier life. The program focuses on two fundamental principles, which are hunger and appetite and the energy system shift. The first principle is all about learning how your nervous system and endocrine system play a role in your weight loss, and the second principle is all about learning how to shift your body so that it burns sugar for energy instead of storing it as fat. Then, it teaches you how to put this information into action. Overview of the Flat Belly Fix program. Despite only being for 21 days, the Flat Belly Fix is a comprehensive program that has taken the time to detail each and every step along the way, guiding you towards weight loss. It provides you with an abundance of information so you know exactly why this approach will work to help you achieve your goals. Then, it gives you step-by-step instructions to turning your newfound knowledge into action. There is nothing extreme or unenjoyable about it either. You don't have to count calories or restrict your diet to nothing more than green vegetables, nor do you have to spend hours at the gym or even get a gym membership. You just have to work through the process of making simple adjustments with your diet and activity levels, and by the end of the program, you'll have formed new habits that allow you to continue on this new journey. Advantages of the program. One of the greatest things I enjoyed about the Flat Belly Fix is how it incorporates your nervous system and mental health into the mix to help you shift towards a weight loss mindset. While diet and exercise are key components, your mind also matters, so this was a huge benefit that I greatly appreciated. It's also amazing that the program doesn't just throw you into a 21-day regime with next to no information about what or why you're doing the things it's instructing. Instead, it takes the time to thoroughly educate you on your body, nutrition and weight loss, so you have all the knowledge needed to thrive and to make healthier choices and habits moving forward. And then it gives you a 21-day action plan that teaches you how to put what you've learned into action. Another factor that I really appreciated was having the program in digital form. This allowed me to have the program with me at all times, whenever and wherever I went, as long as I had my tech device. It can be handy, especially when grocery shopping or when experiencing a vulnerable moment. The 60-day money-back guarantee is also a nice boost of confidence that gives you 2 months to try the program, and considering you only need 21 days, you can do it almost 3 times before the 60 days is up. Disadvantages of the program. The only disadvantage I can think of is that it would be nice to have the program in audio formats. Not everyone is a reader, so having an option to download the content and listen to it instead of reading it would be a nice feature. Though, the information is so carefully laid out and in an entertaining manner, so sitting down to do some reading certainly didn't feel like a chore by any means. Our verdict. The Flat Belly Fix is an online weight loss program that guides you through the steps to forming new, healthy habits for both your mind, diet and activity levels. It acts as your support system and teacher for 21 days before sending you off to put your newfound information into action with the step-by-step instructions provided. Click the link in the description to get started. To get more video reviews, please subscribe to our channel.